Okay guys, red alert. Beware of those agencies, representatives, and consultants na who will promise you or guarantee you na your visa will be approved, your ganito, basta ganito, if it involves money. If it involves money, careful, careful. Tapos, halimbawa, ang sasabi sila, because not everyone, not all applicants has like PR pathways or maka-avail ng student permits or visit visas. Hindi po lahat. Kasi po ang lahat ng mga representatives dapat sila nagbibigay sila ng realistic yung advice na kung anong kakayahan mong documents na maiprovide mo tsaka kakayahan mong ng funds mo. Hindi yung ito bayad ka lang muna ngayon kasi ganito ganyan. No. Be careful. Red alert po yung mga ganun na basta if it's kung nag-involve ng pera ka agad, yun. Red alert na yan, red flag. So, be careful who you trust. Do not fall into empty promises. Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter. Diba? That's why consultants are very important, but make it sure na legal sila. Because, syempre, mahal ang mga consultant, guys. Mahal yan sila kasi pinag-aralan po nila yan.